Are you seeking for simple methods to whiten your teeth right in the comfort of your own home? One may often get the impression that a more radiant grin is just beyond their grasp. There is a significant cost associated with professional whitening procedures, despite the fact that they claim to provide stunning results. Do-it-yourself teeth whitening is a method that has been gaining popularity and is a cost-effective alternative to traditional dentistry. This strategy enables you to improve the appearance of your smile without using an excessive amount of money. If you want to learn how to whiten your teeth without leaving the comfort of your own home, stay tuned as we will walk you through the procedures step by step. Familiarity with the fundamentals. In order to begin started, it is essential to have a fundamental understanding of the process of teeth whitening. In its most basic form, teeth whitening refers to a method that helps eliminate stains and discoloration from teeth while also lightening them. It is possible for the enamel, which is the outermost covering of our teeth, to become discolored as a result of the foods and beverages that we eat. A number of common offenders include beverages such as coffee, tea, and tobacco, which over time deposit stains on our teeth and cause them to discolor or yellow. Now, it is essential to keep in mind that teeth whitening is not a technique that is performed just once. It is something that must be done on a consistent basis in order to keep that gleaming white grin. Oral hygiene is an important factor to consider in this situation. Maintaining the effectiveness of a teeth whitening procedure requires consistent maintenance in the form of brushing, flossing, and visits to the dentist. It is important to keep in mind that teeth whitening is not about getting teeth that are artificially white. Rather, it is about lightening the shade of your teeth that are already there in order to restore that natural, healthy-looking smile. Now that we have a fundamental knowledge, let's get started on the procedure of teeth whitening that we can do ourselves. DIY teeth whitening that is step by step. Are you prepared to make that beautiful grin yours? The technique of teeth whitening that you can do yourself is broken down into steps below. Putting the most important things first, let's get together all of the required items. In order to have a look at that dazzling smile of yours, you are going to want some baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, a toothbrush, and of course, a mirror. It is not need to worry about making any extra journeys to the shop since these things are often easily accessible in the majority of houses. This brings us to the next step, which is the procedure. To begin, in a small bowl, combine baking soda and hydrogen peroxide in proportions that are equal to one another. You want to get a consistency that is similar to paste. A little bit more baking soda should be added if it is too watery. Increase the amount of hydrogen peroxide by a little amount if it is too thick. You need to find the perfect equilibrium between the two. Applying the paste to your teeth is the next step to do after you have reached the ideal condition for its consistency. It is at this point when the toothbrush comes across. The paste should be dipped into your toothbrush, and then you should brush your teeth in the same gentle manner as you would with ordinary toothpaste. Keep in mind that the term gently is the most important one here. Avoid scrubbing too vigorously, since this might potentially cause damage to your enamel. Probably at this point you are asking, how long should I clean my teeth? It is recommended that you aim for around 2 minutes. It is generally advised that you wash your teeth for that amount of time, regardless of whether you are using ordinary toothpaste or homemade whitening paste. After you have finished brushing your teeth, properly rinse your mouth with water. When you brush your teeth and gums, you should make sure that all of the paste is off of them. After that, you have successfully finished a teeth whitening procedure that you did yourself. Wait, there's more to it than that. The fact that this is not a one-time transaction is something that should be kept in mind. If you want to whiten your teeth, consistency is the most important factor. Make an effort to include this into your everyday routine in order to get the greatest possible benefits. You should immediately cease using this procedure and seek the advice of a dental expert if you suffer any pain or sensitivity in your teeth. An easy and inexpensive method for whitening your teeth at home is presented here for your perusal. Observations and safety measures. Let's begin by briefly reviewing all that we've learned today. We have reviewed the fundamentals of teeth whitening and shown a simple method that may be done by the individual themselves. In order to get the best results, you must first prepare your teeth, then apply the whitening solution, and then rinse your teeth completely. In spite of this, moderation is essential. It is possible that dental sensitivity might result from overdoing the treatment. Therefore, despite the fact that it is tempting to strive for a sparkling white smile, you should constantly remember to prioritize your dental health. It is important to keep in mind that a radiant smile is just a few steps away, but to always put your dental health ahead of your appearance. Brightening your teeth.